Hello YouTube, my name is Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little unboxing for y'all. This is my first time owning this designer. I have been seeing this bag all over the place, so y'all really influenced me to purchase this bag, and I'm very happy that I did. I'm making this video because when I was looking for reviews on this item, I did not see any videos on the Marc Jacobs Tote this color. So I really want to put this video out for reference purposes. In this video, I will be showing me unboxing the item as well as some mod shots. I'll be giving you my thoughts on the item, and I'm also going to be sharing how I got this item for about 15% off. Y'all know I like to save my coins, so I will be telling y'all at the end of the video how I was able to get some money back on this purchase. All right, y'all, let's get into the unboxing. All right, y'all, so here is the box, and let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so here is a bunch of stuff that comes in the box. You see it has this going on here. I don't know what this is called. And then the receipt along with whatever this stuff is. Okay, so here is the bag here. And so let's go ahead and open it. So it comes in this plastic covering, and y'all, I'm so excited because I was really nervous about the color because I really wanted something orange, and when I saw it online, it said the color was like, I think, coral. And so now that I'm seeing it's more orange than coral, which I was hoping that's what it would look like, I'm happy. So this is I think it's the small, but you see it says on here Fushion Coral. I have to look again and see what size it is, but y'all, it is so cute. Okay, so it comes with some stuffing. I can't wait to do some mod shots with this for y'all. Okay, so this is in here. So the inside has a blue, I don't know what this is called. I wish, is it detachable? I wish this was detachable because I do think the blue is kind of throwing it off for me. But I mean, we can make it work. But so this is the strap that it comes with. Let's take this off. All right. So I guess it goes here. But anyways, I cannot wait to show y'all some mod shots with this. But this, let's take this out too. But here it is, y'all. So cute. Oh, let me take this part out too. I think this is gonna be so cute with what I got planned for it. So I hope y'all enjoyed that unboxing. I did tell y'all earlier in the video that this is my first time owning this designer, so I didn't really even know what to expect when it came so far as packaging or anything like that. It didn't have a dust bag or anything. I was kind of underwhelmed by it, but you know, it is what it is. The bag is intact, whatever. I really do like the color. I am really into bright colors, so I really like this color. I don't own anything this color in my collection right now, so I do have some ways that I want to be wearing this item. I really like the mesh. This bag is really giving me like beach summer vibes. First, I was thinking I was gonna be using this bag a little more often, but now looking at it and it's giving me beach vibes, I'm probably gonna use it like on vacation or something like that to hold like my sunscreen and things for when I go like on the beach or wearing something, you know, just very light, airy, summery. I like logos, so I am feeling the logo that's on it. I like the fact that it has two ways that you can wear it. It has the handles as well as the strap. I do like the versatility of that. What I do not like about this bag is that blue interior. It just throws it way off for me. I still am going to keep the bag because I like it and I like the color, but that blue is throwing it way off of me. So that is one con that I did see with this bag. I also think that this bag would get dirty easily. So, you know, you would have to be careful with how you use this bag if you don't want it to get dirty. This bag comes in multiple colors. It comes in this like coral-ish color. It also comes in black. I do think the black is gonna be more like a staple or more like everyday, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and get that bag. Yeah, this size is the size small, so you will be seeing how the small looks on my frame. I have seen videos where they compare the small and the mini, so I will link a video down below by my girl Sydney White, and I think her daughter was in that video where they compared the two sizes. It's a really good video on the comparison, so I will link their video down below if you're kind of between if you want to do the small or the mini. I chose the small because that was the only way this bag came in, but for me, I like small bags, so I probably would have went ahead and got the mini if that was an option to get. So about me saving money, y'all know I am a person who likes to save my coins because I be trying to buy other stuff. So this video is not sponsored. I'm gonna go ahead and put that out there. But this site that I came across is called Shopstyle. So like when you go on this site, it tells you the different promotions that certain retailers are running or certain brands are running. This particular item at the time when I was finna purchase this had 15% cash back. And I was like, for real, y'all got 15% cash back? So what you do is you just make your little profile, then you click on the item that you're wanting to purchase, and it takes you directly to the site for you to purchase it from. I got this particular item from Saks. So when I clicked on the picture, it took me to Saks and it gave me like this little shopping trip number. I did screenshot that just in case I needed it, so I will be putting that screenshot here so y'all can see it. I guess it links it some kind of way, and so once I made my purchase from Saks, it gave me 15% back on my account through Shopstyle. And I guess since it was my first time using Shopstyle, it also gave me a $15 new member thing or new member credit or something. I don't know what it's called, but anyways, I believe I got back $33 something maybe for this item, and I also got the $15 welcome bonus. I think it's what's called, yeah, welcome bonus for being a new member. So y'all looking for ways to save money, y'all know I'm always for that. Look into Shopstyle and see if they have like 5% back, 10% back. You also can set alerts on certain items where they will, you know, alert you that this certain item is going up on the amount of they're getting back for cash or anything like that. So that's what I did. I just clicked alert me, and when it said it had 15% cash back, I was like, oh, go ahead and buy it, honey, because you've been looking at this bag for a while. So yeah, that's how I essentially saved about $48 on this bag. So yeah. So let me know down below if you own this bag. Also, let me know down below what you think about this bag. Do you think this bag is a little, I mean, what do you think about it? I like it. I think it's very different. Like I said earlier, I do think that this color is, you know, a little much. It's very summery. I do think the black though is going to be more of like a closet staple or something. Also, do y'all consider Marc Jacobs a luxury brand? Let me know down below if y'all do, because I'm not sure if I consider that a luxury brand or not. I'm not trying to shade or anything like that. I just don't know if I consider Marc Jacobs a luxury brand. So y'all let me know down below what y'all think. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something so you don't miss something. And I'll see y'all in my next video.